Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Nasir Nasir, Director General, PDMA Balochistan. Your Excellencies, Professor Dr. Ahmed Pachaji, Honorable Governor Balocistan, Jan Mohammad Jamali Saab, Respectable Minister for Home and Tribal Affairs and PDMA Balochistan, Zia Langav Saab, and other guests, Assalamu alaikum. On behalf of Government of Balocistan, I am very thankful to Republic of Turkey for providing relief goods to the affected people of Balochistan. Whereas the heavy torrential rains have adversely affected almost all the districts of Balochistan. No doubt that Pakistan and Turkey are two brother countries and have helped each other in every difficult time. Out of 34 districts of Balochistan, 32 districts have badly affected due to heavy rain. We have reported 300 plus casualties from different areas of Balochistan, and thousands of houses fully or partially damaged. Livestock and agriculture sector also destroyed, due to which we have to appeal at international level for assistance. Turkish government immediately responded for assistance, and we are once again thankful to Turkey government with the expectations that our brotherhood will always remain and will help each other in every difficult time. Thank you.